What's up, y'all? If you're new to my channel, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there. That one. Thank you. And if you've been here before, you know what it is. You know the vibes. So today, I have one of my first subscriber topics, I guess. So I'm doing a Q&A for y'all. Y'all saw the title. Like I said, you know the vibe. So here we are, y'all. So y'all see what we got going on. This is something small because I ate already and it was seafood. So, but I cannot pass up no crawfish. So I felt like, okay, I haven't had crawfish in a long time. And I got one little snow crab here. Snow crab leg right here, y'all. That's it. And I got one of my favorite little apple martini things. Sour apple martini. All right, let's bless over this food, guys, and we're going to get started because I'm hungry. Dear Heavenly Father, I want to thank you for this wonderful meal. Good food, good meat, good God. Let's eat. Amen. Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Now, I was trying something new with my lipstick today.
Boy, if you don't...
Okay. Alright, that's that. I don't even know what I want first. Oh, this BLOVE sauce in the middle, y'all. That good old BLOVE. Crawfish. I'm gonna go in for a crawfish first, y'all. Look at them. They look so beautiful. Ooh, look at them. They look so beautiful. Except for when you open it up and you look at that shit inside of it like that, you be like, oh no. Oh wait, I'm supposed to be sucking it and shit. Was I supposed to do that? I don't know. Y'all know I'm still having some issues, some technical difficulties sucking the head. Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay, I lost it. God damn, you love that shit good. Oh, here it is. No, it keep me at, ooh, yeah. You know you gotta get all up in there. All of that. I need some tutorial on crawfish, like for real. I thought I had it one time. What the fuck? Is this supposed to happen like this? I don't know. Them crawfish are so good. All right, so you're supposed to squeeze it. No, I think I did that one wrong. I just want to be able to pull them out and eat them like Cuzzle AB. I just want to do that. It don't take this long. Oh, no! That's so good. Crack. Squeeze, right? Ooh. Okay, yeah, that was right. That was right. That was right. Oh yeah. This is probably the most nakedest boil I've ever had. I ain't got no potatoes, no corn. That's some good shit. I'll make a really good sour apple martini. Is that a martini? Yes, martini. Fuck it, it's in a martini glass. So, yes. I also want to give a shout out to one of my subscribers, too. Shout out to Spicy News. Always hopping in the comments. Always there. Giving me good suggestions and good questions. So, shout out to you, Spicy News. So, I think I got a little bit in my belly. I'm gonna go ahead and read one of these questions off for y'all. Okay? I wrote them down because it was quite a few. Not that many, but quite a few. Someone asked, was I married? That ain't none of your business. Like, no, I ain't married. I am not married. No, I am not. That's why you don't see no rings. None of that. I'm not married. I'm actually single. I said I was going to keep that to myself, but I am single, baby. And no, I am not trying to mingle. No, no, no. I'm not trying to mingle, jingle, none of that. I got stuff to do. You know? Stuff to do. I ain't got time to be sitting up with somebody's son. So, yes. Unfortunately or unfortunately, I don't know. However, what answer you wanted, but no, I am not married. That right. That right. That BLOVE hits, man. That BLOVE ain't no freaking joke. Seriously. No joke. Somebody told me to put vinegar in my bowl so that'll make my crabs come out better. I don't know how much fucking vinegar I put. Maybe it was too much or something because I just feel like I don't like tasting vinegar. You know I like to get my onions in there with it. If I can catch an onion or, ooh, that's hot, that's hot, that's hot. Look at that. Because you know I ain't get y'all shit. If I don't want to share today. All right, next question. This was hard because I remember looking at it. I was like, how you going to ask me that? Like, how? Okay, I'm getting the hang of it. Wow. Oh, I got a clean pour. That was lit. That was lit. I know crawfish be looking so little, like it ain't, but it's everything, y'all. It's everything. Okay, so my favorite meal I've eaten so far. That's so hard. Because I love all this shit I be eating. All this shit my favorite. Why you do that? For real. Like, that's really hard for me. Because I literally, like, everything I eat. Like, or everything I eat is mainly my favorites. My favorite thing I've eaten so far. I'm trying to think of whatever comes to my mind when I think of that. Like, but it's like.
A few moments later.
Well, I say this. I don't know. That's hard. Come back to me. Because the only thing I can think about, and it's hard to say because y'all don't see me eat it that much on this channel. But I was going to say, Dungeness crab, because I actually had Dungeness crab for the first time on my channel. I had it with you guys and I fell in love. Like, I didn't even think Dungeness tastes that good. Like, woo, that thing was amazing. Amazing. Then again, I feel like I never had that Popeye's chicken sandwich until I was with y'all, and that thing. Can't answer that. It's hard. I'm all over the place. I'm all over the place. Oh my God, it's so hot, y'all. Look at that good old BLOVE on there. There's no way to eat SMACKALICIOUS without getting it on your mouth, on your chin. Yeah, that was a really hard question. Yeah, that was really something else. But yeah, mainly everything is literally my favorites. Like if I was coming over your house for dinner and you had any of this stuff that I've been eating up here, or seafood period, you're a winner. Chicken dinner. So, and let me see. They asked me what's my favorite thing to do. Sleep. That's so lazy, but I'm for real. Dead ass. Dead ass. I love to sit up in that bed. No, I'm kidding. Shit, what the fuck was that? Ew. I ain't never seen that in no damn crawfish before. I think those the egg things, right? Ew. I don't like that shit. Ew, y'all, that's freaking me out. I gotta go wash my hands. I can't do that. Alright, y'all. So, I'm back. That shit was... I don't know what the fuck that was. And I couldn't even pick... I didn't even want to pick it up. Oh, God. I feel like it's all on me. I didn't want to pick it up. So, now I'm gonna be looking. And...
Oh, my God. Pull yourself together.
Okay, anyway. I'm back. So... before I was really interrupted by some shit, I didn't know what was going on. I hope I ain't sucked that one. I'm about to be done with crawfish, y'all. But my favorite thing to do, honestly, is probably right now it's probably filming. I love it. And especially if I get to film with my friend or something like that. It's fun to me. It's one of my favorite things I love to do. I love doing right now. That's definitely up there. So I need to check them before I suck it. Because I don't want to suck them and they had that shit in there. Or whatever that was. I hope it wasn't shit. Alright, y'all. I don't know. It just packed with flavor. Oh. Oh. That's some good shit. That's some good shit right there. Look at this baby. Look at him. Oh, that was flavorful. That was flavorful. Wow, that was great tasting. That was delicious. Yeah, so I want to say filming is probably doing anything pertaining to me doing my YouTube. To me, I love it. From the first video I did, I loved it. And I'm glad. And I'm not going to stop. I wrote down the question because I ain't going to remember. And I remember who asked me this shit too. He said, all that food I be eating, where does it go? I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea where it goes, honestly. I know I look small, but like, yeah, I'm kind of small still. But I honestly think I probably will forever be small unless I get pregnant or something like that. I think that's gonna be like my size. So, I eat it though. It go down though. Where it settle at, I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. All right. Somebody asked me, what do I do to relax your mind? My mind. honestly, I'm kind of sort of busy. So, I like to sit down. I'm a loner. I love to be by myself. Honestly, I will get out of a situation quicker than I don't know whoever just to be alone. So that's my thing right there. I like to be alone with my thoughts, with my mind. Like, I love it. I don't want to be around anyone. I want to be no. But I think that is for, well, I'll get into that because someone asked me another question about that too. But I think that stems from my childhood, where I like to be alone. Anyway. Next, just so to answer that question, I just like to be alone. It relaxes me with my thoughts, or honestly, laughing. So I know that sounds crazy, but I love comedy. All comedies, I love them. So, like, if I can literally sit back, relax, and literally just watch something funny and laugh, or even when I make my own self laugh, like, that is super relaxing to me. It is. Oh, God, I just feel it now coming on. All right, next. I remember I couldn't find some of the questions that some people were asking me, but I do remember this one. They asked me, what do I like to watch? Like, any other shows that I like to watch besides Greenleaf? It was something along those lines. Now, I laughed when I read that because I said, I watch every damn thing. Netflix or not Netflix, whatever. I can barely find anything on Netflix, but I know one thing. I watch it all of it. I don't know what's going on with this crab. It was like bending all up, but it still came out right. Like, huh? Ooh. So for me, oh God, now that's stingy. I ain't gonna lie, but I'm just gonna show you. Look at all of that. Look at all of that. Oh my God, look at that. You got a drip. Came through dripping. But I watch a slew of shows, especially since quarantine came on. But a slew of shows. I'm like, ain't nobody coming to my fucking door right now, right? I'm like, I mean, a slew of shows. I watch Love and Hip Hop. I watch Housewives. Down the documentaries that I still follow now. I mean, like, I watch a variety of a lot of things. My new obsession is watching Gordon Ramsay. And not saying I didn't watch him before, but for some reason, I am so intrigued. And he is so handsome. I know he married with a family. I don't want all that. Damn, I ate that one already. So, yeah. I mean, if you got something that I should be watching, tell me. We're going to have to get into Love Country, y'all. I mean, Lovecraft.
What?
We're going to have to get into Lovecraft Country. I'm going to let y'all slide on the first episode, but we are definitely going to discuss episode 2. Dang, I got to figure out what day it come on. Journey Smollett was in there, and I love me some Journey, baby. Every time I see her, she just gives me ease by you. That little face, that little... He ain't working late. He always working late. You know? That shit was good. Alright, the last one that I can think about for my Q&A. If I could visit any place in the world, where would it be? Now, I actually was very excited to get this question because I want to travel, but I'm scared. And especially after Rona, I'm definitely terrified. So, but I can tell you a couple places I like to be. First of all, I really want to go to Paris, France. Like, I really want to. I had a coworker of mine. I cannot think of his name. Oh, I wish I could too, because he's such a nice guy. I think we called him Z. And he was from there. He was from London. He was from London. Man. And he would tell us little things about the country and things like that. But that would be first on the list. If anywhere right away. That, and I want to take it in all. I want to take in all of it. Like, I'm gonna do what you do, eat what you eat. You know, I want the full experience. Yeah, man, I'm getting full. So yeah. And next will be somewhere. Well, I ain't gonna lie. I definitely want to go to Africa. I feel like anyone, especially now, I want to learn so much more, and I want to see, so I want to really feel it. Where I come from, where I was supposed to be. You know, I really want to feel that. I think it's important for people to, you know, of color. Not even that. I mean, anybody to educate yourself on what's really going on or what is what. So I think that a trip to Africa will be the most satisfying trip I've ever taken in my life. I think if I was to go to Africa, man, scratch Paris, France, whatever, scratch that. I would go to Africa, and I wouldn't go anywhere else after that. I'm gonna be in the ghettos. I want to be, I want to take it in. And don't just take me to the rich part now. Take me to the yeah. Take me there. That's where I want to go. Y'all. That's where I go. Okay, last but not least, how many siblings do you have? Sorry. Excuse me. I have 5. And I am the second oldest out of 6. We're all 2 years apart. Except for my little sister. She came a little later. She's probably maybe about 5 years after my brother. After my last brother. I've got nothing but brothers and 1 sister. Got an older brother, 3 younger brothers, and 1 little sister. Oh. That's what's going on. So yeah, that's what I got. I knew it was this in here and I couldn't get it. I love my brothers and sisters too. My sister. Everything. My little sister's always in the comments, so I've heard. So I'll do some little facts about me while I eat. Favorite color is the color of royalty, purple. That Barney. That one. Yeah, I like that. And I haven't liked any other color as much as I love purple. My hometown is Maryland. I'm from there. I'm from Maryland. Home of the seafood, home of the crab. And it is true what they say. We are the home of the crab. Seriously. For real. I don't think you can get, and when I say blue crabs, you cannot get blue crabs nowhere. No, I'm going to say all crabs. Because I went to Jersey, or Atlantic City, and I had some snow crabs, and I had king crab. Snow crab was good. Excuse me. But I don't like the way they do things out there. Like Maryland, if you ordering crab fries, 9.5 times out of 10. Crab fries come with crabs on them. Okay? I went there, they put Old Bay on it. To me, Old Bay is not crab seasoning. It's seasoning. It don't taste like a crab. Anyway. Come on. So yeah, that's that on that. My favorite seafood. I know I love me some lobster tails. Oof. Whenever I get a new sauce, lobster tails. Let me know if y'all want me to try Wani sauce. Shanika said I should. I'm gonna go ahead and try Wani sauce. I love the support. I think I done bought everybody damn sauce. B loves, Dame Dash, EE with EE. I mean, like, yes. I'm good. Good. All right, y'all. Woo! I think that was a good, quick little Q&A. Like I said, I'm here. I will answer anything you guys want me to answer. But I wanted to make sure I got this video out. Spicy News, I appreciate you. Hold me accountable, baby. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Look out for some new things coming to y'all. Oh, this got a lot going on. Alright, I'm full, but I'm just had to get a little bit of that knuckle in there. Let me see. Y'all know it's dripping all over the place. Alright, that's it, y'all. I think I went through all y'all questions the most I could. I went back and went back. I'm gonna search and make sure I had all y'all questions. But if there's anything you guys want to know, I'm pretty much an open book. Little pages are ripped, but I'm pretty much open. Shoot them down in the comments. The worst thing you can get is a, sorry, that's too personal. All right, y'all. I think this thing is creeping up on me because my eyes feel like they moving in slow motion. Like, all right, yeah. Let me get on the fuck out of here, y'all. All right, y'all. Till next time. Don't forget to give this video a good like if you like it. And subscribe if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that bell. Till next time, y'all. I'm out. Peace.